We're here at the SEMA Show 2025 at the Fanttik booth. Let's step in and see what's exciting. This is the Fantic F2 Pro, and it's a rotary tool that's really simple to use, as well as it comes with tons of accessories, and it's just a really cool feel and look to this. Very ergonomic, very easy to turn this on here at the base, turn it on, and then you're gonna have 5 speeds to select from here. And there's no really movable button here, but it is pressure sensitive. You can see I'm not turning it on, but if I just give it a little push, even though I'm not feeling that, you see it turn the tool on into like a medium, and I can go up to high or circulate that back down, and now I'm down into low, and again, be able to adjust the speed that I need in the tool. Very easy to do that. Turn it off right there. USB Type-C to charge this, as well as the spindle lock is right there, no tool needed. And lock that, use a wrench, and then loosen that, change out my bits. We also have an LED light that surrounds the entire bit so we can still see our work. What comes with it is this neat little case here with all our bits on it, as well as, let me take my bit out. You see these bits, they don't really snap into place. They're really magnetized, so you can see, just get it near and it's gonna pop right into place. Very easy to get them out as well. And you can see these rotate as well. So very easy to be able to get the bits that you need. And when you're done with the tool, it goes right here and snaps into place. And if I need to get that back out, just push the bottom right there. And now I'm ready to pull that back out, push it back into place. Got a nice aluminum case, slide the whole rig right in, lock it down. If I need to get the tool out, I can, or I can snap that back down into place as well. So even in the case, I can charge this with my USB Type-C cable. And in addition to all this, you also get an additional kit that comes with even more accessories for the tool. And all of this is just $99.99 on Amazon. This is the new S2 Pro from Fanttik. Pretty cool little screwdriver. It's not just a screwdriver, because what comes with it, very handy, 90-degree head as well, snaps on, easy to go on. You don't have to do anything, no tools or anything, magnetizes to it and indexes itself. You have several different speeds, so there's no on and off on this. As long as you have a charge, as soon as you hit the button, there's reverse and there's forward, and then this is going to be your speeds, but also you're gonna see that shown right here. So if I turn this all the way up, you'll see max power right there. You're going to get up to 250 RPM and 6 Newton meters of torque out of this. And again, we can turn the speed down and the power down if we need to. So it's going to be slower and it's going to be less power. 360-degree LED light, so you can really see what you're working on without any of the shadows. And you see all these bits here come with it as well. Even the extension right there, and you get longer bits and shorter bits. And they're just magnetized right there, so they're not hard to get out at all. Just put that in there, again, magnetized into the tool, and go do your work. And then when you're ready to put that away, stick it in there, close that. You've got a nice case to go with it as well. You even get extra storage right here, so this could be your charging cable, which, by the way, USB Type-C standard right there, so it's going to charge very easily with any of your USB Type-C chargers, and then even additional storage right there also. Again, close this up, put that under your truck seat or put it in your shop, whatever you want to do. And cool thing about this, even closed up, we can still charge this because there's the charging port right there. So the S2 Pro from Fanttik, $99.99. This is the Fantic X10 Apex tire inflator, and it's really more than a tire inflator. You also get LED lights here on the front. One of the cool things about this is usually you're trying to find your USB cable, right, to recharge these. Check it out. It's actually built in and it's retractable. Little magnet there. Pull that out, plug it in, and charge it up. Pull it back, and then magnetize it right there to the tool. You get a, looks like a 2 or 3 foot lead, and that will thread off if you need to. Power this up. You're going to get up to 150 PSI. And it will inflate truck tires, SUV tires, car tires, high pressure, obviously up to 150 PSI. You can dial in the pressure that you want and then hit the button, and it's going to do the work for you, and then stop when it gets to your desired PSI. Also, You're on the roadside, it's late at night, you've got three different power modes and even a strobe light mode. So if you need to put it on that roadside, make sure nobody hits you, you can do that as well. This is available on Amazon for $99.99. We've got the Fantic T10 jump starter, very small jump starter, very handy, kind of a cube design, obviously an elongated cube design, very simple to use. Even have a light on board there as well once we power this on. This is an 1800 amp charger, 1200 milliamp capacity, so if you're needing to charge other things, you can do so. Onboard light, a couple of different settings there, as well as slide this up, slide in your battery connectors, and now we're ready to start the vehicle once we connect our leads. It was very simple to use. It's also going to tell you what percentage is left on the jump starter or on the battery. And when you're ready to charge, really cool idea here on board, that USB Type-C cable, it just magnetizes to itself right there, and pull that out, plug it in, charge up your jump starter. When you're done, put it back in. And obviously you can charge your mobile devices as well with your USB-A and USB Type-C out. It's a very handy little unit, very solid construction as well, easy to read display on this, and easy to use. This sells for $85. This is the Fantic T1 Max, and it's a soldering iron, very handy soldering iron, so no cords attached, obviously charges with a USB Type-C cable. You also get several different temperature selections here, from 390 degrees Fahrenheit all the way up to 840 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to put this at 570, power this on. We got to hold the power button down to make sure that we're staying safe. After about 3 or 4 seconds, you see it flashes red, and then it's going to go to green when it's reached temperature, and it does that very quickly. You have a surrounding LED light there, ring all the way around it so you can actually see your work, and you see it's already green. So we're already up to 570 degrees Fahrenheit on that temperature. We get a case that's included with it. We can turn this all the way around to wherever we need to. We can put our sponge in here, keep that wet, keep the tip clean. Also, we got a little drawer right here, slides out. You can change out your tips if you need to, and then pull this back out of your case, do your soldering, put it back in, and then power off as well. Very handy kit for doing small electronics and automotive wiring. This is a perfect idea for that. Store that away. Doesn't matter if the tip's hot, still going to stay safe there. $55 on Amazon. We've got the Slim V10 Apex Fantic vacuum and blower and inflator all in one. Power this on. You see your battery status. You see it's in low. Hit the button again. Now we're in high, and we're getting blowing out the back right here. Getting suction here on the front. And again, if I want to power this off, hold the button and power this down. If I need to change out the filter, very easy to do. Hit the button here, unlock that. I can pull the filter out. You have a nice rubber O-ring there sealing everything up. Dump this out, clean out the filter, connect it back in, close it up, and then need to clean out the car. Have the crevice tool with a flexible hose. Connects on there, powered up, do all your vacuuming, cleaning out around the seats and everything else. Or choose one of the other accessories to clean out the carpet and get the dog hair out of the carpet. So all these accessories are included with it. And then these right here are actually going to attach to the back to be used as a blower. And now we can use this for a blower, power it up even higher. And all of these accessories, obviously, what are you going to do with all these accessories and the vacuum? Well, you got a nice cloth bag here that everything can go in, as well as the vacuum, and put that away, store that in your vehicle, and you're ready for the next disaster that happens, and you can keep everything clean. $79 on Amazon.